Imagine running through 900-year-old temples, surrounded by history and culture.
Oh, big spider webs. There's a massive spider. Really? So big. Look at that guy.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Welcome to my unsanctioned Angkor Wat half marathon.
It's okay, it's gonna start at 21k half marathon. I'll be support. This whole road has a beautiful little road just there you can run on. Super shaded, quiet, it looks so nice. Unfortunately I'm sick, otherwise I'll be joining Kate. But yeah, today I'm just support. We got big picnic basket full of food. That's all she wrote.
Yeah.
Since I'm not participating in a sanctioned half marathon, I had to figure out exactly where to run to hit the 21-kilometer goal.
Good luck.
I love you too. Look at this road. It's beautiful. Okay, time to get going. Bye-bye. Here we go.
And so, I begin my 21-kilometer run through Angkor Wat.
This is like the first temple I'm like running next to. It's pretty freaking sweet, man. Woo, and look at this. Like, so lucky to be here, to be experiencing this. I swear, my heart rate is up because I'm just so excited and so happy.
So this is me acting as support for Kate. I'm just gonna wait here. I found Kate finally. She's still going strong. And how far are you in?
5.52.
5.52 kilometers. So almost 25% in, not bad. This part seems to be more quiet, which is nice.
Hello, Mr. Cow. I'm coming. Okay. Wow, amazing.
As I'm running, I make frequent stops to check both my map and my Google Maps on my phone. The last thing I want to do is make a wrong turn and end up totally off track. You'll probably notice that I'm never far away from the main road. If I do get lost, I know I can always find my way back and flag down a guide for help. And just like that, I'm off running again.
Shoot, I've been recording this whole time. On the back of this temple.
By now, the initial excitement and adrenaline rush have worn off, so I throw on some music to keep my energy up. Let's check in on Gustav while I push through this lump.
Alright, so I've lost Kate. I have no idea where she is. Because she's basically running just parallel to this road. There's that little trail for cycling and running. But it's overgrown, well, not overgrown, there's like a lot of trees in between us. So I can't really see where she is. So I'll just keep on driving through this beautiful jungle-y forest. And eventually I'll just meet up with her, I guess.
East. Bangkok. Say a prayer with every heartbeat. Cool bridge. I haven't seen Gustav in a while, which is stressing me a little bit. Let's hope he meets me where in a little bit. We said in emergency we'll meet at Angkor Wat, which is the ending point for me anyways, so It'll be fine.
But I think I found the big looped track. It's just there. So that means Kate's probably on that. At some point I'll meet up with her. My roaming data has kicked in, so less stressful. There's not a lot of reception, but I'll find her. She should be around here. I have no idea how long she's been running.
Whew. Getting tired. 15 kilometers in. Just a few more to go. My feet are aching. They're just so sweaty, but I feel good. I feel the second 5 kilometers were really stressy. There was lots of people, lots of turns and stuff. This has been really peaceful. Woo! Let's keep going. 6 more to go. I got this. I can do this.
Look at this massive rice paddies. This place is absolutely gorgeous.
$16.27 in. Taking a little breather. All right, Gustav said he's at Ta Prohm, which I was at a long time ago. All good? This is good?
All right, so just got a message from Kate. She said she's about to pass the Breathtaking temple. So I'm gonna miss this one. Like, you have to cross a bridge to get to, like, basically across the moat to get to a different temple. What's that temple's name? Called eeek. We'll get to that one later, but I'll meet up with Kate. She's probably far into the half marathon. I have no idea, to be honest.
The whole way, basically the whole way, has this beautiful road next to the road. It's so wonderful and peaceful. Whew. So nice. I feel so lucky to be able to do this. So cool. I'm not going into each individual temple because if I did that, then it would take me forever because I have to put on some long pants. Not long pants, I brought like a little sarong, but that would just take so long and it would kind of really break up my run and it's hard to get into a stride like that. So I'm planning either if Gustav does this, then I can do it while he's running it, or we can just go later. Just want to finish this run. Amazing tree. Whew. Getting tough. Getting tough. Lots of bugs coming out for some reason right now. 18.6. Here we go. Whew. See all these bugs? Whew. This is getting challenging. There's Gustav up ahead. I'm at 18.86. So what exactly is a half marathon again?
21.1 something.
Okay, do I turn left here? Okay. Whew, the only thing that's hurting really bad is like the chafing.
Oh.
It's very uncomfortable. I'm excited to eat.
Cool, see you
Couple
later.
more minutes.
Actually, I did a meetup. I'm like, oh, there's Kate. And she only has about 3-point-something kilometers left to go. And there she goes. She's actually doing quite well. How long have you been running?
1 hour and 58.
1 hour, 58 minutes. Not bad speed. Good job, Kate. Why did you run on the side? Okay, see you later. Love you. All right, she's on her way.
Day Chenang Gate. I'm gonna run through it. Straight up. Temple run.
And just look at this, it's absolutely beautiful.
This is the coolest part of the run.
The coolest?
The coolest part of the run.
Did you enjoy the run so far?
Yeah.
Seems like you've hardly used your waters.
I have. Look at this!
Wow, that is amazing. Should I just stop and take a photo?
Yeah. Look at that.
Massive moat.
Smile! My main support. My only support.
I'll support you.
Okay, let's finish this thing. Temples all around. Yeah. Whew. 20.08. So I just stopped for a second because I was admiring the temples a little bit. These people are like, "Are you okay? Do you need water?" I'm like, "No, I'm good." And they're like, "How far have you gone?" I'm like, 20 Ks. They're like, "Oh my gosh, you're a crazy person. Good job." Look at this monkey. That was the only person that said anything to me. All the people that said hello or whatever. But only people. Lots of monkeys. A good finish line. Some monkeys fighting on the road. Right up my finish line. Go.
Finished?
Nope. Just hit 21. 100 meters to go. .1 success. There it is. Woo! Finished. Oh yeah. That was a chaotic ending. I was just like trying to find where I can go. Whew.
Good job.
The most surreal place to do a half marathon.
Yeah.
I'm just like the whole time like, wow,
Like,
amazing. It was raining.
all in all, good?
Yeah.
I started talking, but the sound of the motorbike drowned everything out. Overall, this was such a fun and unique run, and I'd recommend it to anyone looking for something out of the ordinary. Here are a few tips if you're considering it. 1. Have support. You'll need some form of support. I was lucky to have Gustav with me, but if you don't have your own Gustav, you can hire a local tuk-tuk driver to follow you during the run. 2. Start early. It's hot and extremely humid, so this isn't a run for the faint of heart. Just a disclaimer, Gustav and I have been living and running in Bangkok for 3 years, so we're used to this type of heat. If you're not, please be careful. Start as early as possible. The temples open at 7:30 a.m. unless you're doing a sunrise tour. 3. Follow a good route. I recommend following the route I used because it took me past many beautiful temples with a smooth path along the way. Watch out for obstacles like cows and occasional traffic. 4. Bring lots of water and electrolytes. Pack plenty of water and electrolytes. You can stock up at a local supermarket, but make sure you have enough to stay hydrated throughout the run. A hat and sunglasses are lifesavers too. 5. Temple visits. If you plan to stop and visit any temples, don't forget your temple pass and some form of ID. Also, remember to cover your shoulders and knees. It's a must for temple entry. And lastly, enjoy the experience. Most of the local Cambodians were super chill with me running around. They probably see plenty of tourists doing this sort of thing, so just take it slow.
640 pace. Slow.
Stop often, soak in the sights, and enjoy this amazing experience of running alongside the ancient temples.
There you go.
Straight up temple run.
Yeah, this is a temple run.
This is Gustav's recommendation. Make sure to eat lots of carbs and hydrate well in advance.
What is that?
Just a chicken quarter.
Yeah?
Of course, we had to grab some meat on the way home, and we couldn't forget our favorite dessert in Cambodia. This dessert is called nam akor, or steamed rice cake. And oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. It's a pretty standard Cambodia treat found all over this area. It has a sweet coconut taste, and its sticky rice provides a dense, chewy texture, while the banana adds a soft, creamy contrast. And for 5,000 real, we got 4 small cakes in this cute little box that we took home as a souvenir. If you're thinking about running around Angkor Wat and are inspired by this video, feel free to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel for more adventures like this. See you in the next one.
Chicken. The sauce is really, really good.
Things are about to get very exciting on this channel, so stay tuned for our upcoming adventures in Southern Africa.